Hello, good day. Today we are going to create a floor plan that looks like this one that you are seeing on the screen. This is very common. If you've looked for floor plans on the internet, you find out that they come as documents that look like this, as pictures. Okay, so let's start. The first thing we need is a plan. This is something that I actually did some time back. So today we are going to be making a floor plan from that. The first thing is you click on this icon, the mock true, then we select a box like this, right click, then you right click again, then you have this box. Then from there you right click, then you go to here, add a new 3D document for floor plan. You click on this one. Okay, here I'm going to name it floor plan 3D. Create. Once I've done that, as you can see, it's now a 3D floor plan that looks like this. Okay. Now the idea is we need to edit a bit. For example, we need to open the doors. So for us to open all the doors at once, all we need to do is to go here, click on design, then we click on the door tool, and Control A to select all the doors. Okay, once that is done, we click on this setting for doors, then where we can customize the I have certain doors that cannot be opened, like this one you can't open, so I'll click on my shift button and deselect. Okay, now we can continue, go onto the door settings. Then here I'm going to go to open type again. Let me open it, the 3D one. Let me open it by, let's say, 75 degrees. As you can see, it's now open at about 75 degrees. Now the idea is to now adjust this thing. Okay, so for me to do that, I'll need to just save this one. Before I do that, I'll need to change a bit of settings here. I'll go to 3D document settings, and from there the cut level, let me raise it a bit to about 1750. Okay, then I'll go to, I think I'm okay with this one. Click OK. Just adjust it a bit. Now it's showing the handles of the doors. I think we are good like this. Okay, so the only thing that is left for me to do before I want to change to make it less complicated, I'm going to change this to black. Here I'm going to use a uniform color. I'm then going to use black for that. Let's see. Okay. As you can see, now it's black wherever there's a bit of cutting. Let me just make it a bit darker so that we can move forward. Okay. Let's change this one. Let's change this one to ivory black like that. Okay, I think it should be enough. Okay. It's now dark enough for my taste. Okay, right. Now we are going to export this thing. So we'll right click here. It's important that I don't move it much. So I'm going to right click. We're going to save it as a PDF. Once we decided to save it as a PDF, we have to write it. This is the name. just put it on the desktop and just open it on saves so that we might see how it is. Okay. As you can see, it's the plan. That is its appearance. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to change it a bit now. I'm going to these settings again. Now I want to change it to a black and white feel, so I'll go this color. Okay, here let me use white. Okay. Then I'm going to turn on the shadow. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to use 50% gray. Okay, so that is the shadow. It's important that we save that too. Okay, we're going to save as it remembers the last setting, 3D. Let me just write S for shadow there. Okay, we open it when it's done. We close this one. Now we are done with this software. We are doing Photoshop. So for us to be able to deal with this in Photoshop, what we're going to do is we're going to select this one. We're going to drag it here. I'm going to select the other one. Drag it here. Very simple. I'll click on the one with an S. Drop it in, click OK. Should line perfectly with the one that we did first. Okay, now we have these floor plans here. Okay, I'm going to turn off this one. I'm going to turn off this one for now. I'm going to be left with just this one. Okay, now I want to just crop so that I'm left with the area that I want to work with. So if I click here, I click on this thing here, I want to crop, which is C. You can just type C, that's what it means. Okay. When you type C, let's see, not that one. I wanted to type to crop the crop tool and to move it like this a bit, to move it like that a bit, to move it like that a bit. Now it's centered in a way that is easier for me to work with. Okay. Now I'm going to just select. I'm going to first of all add a background. So for me to add the background, let's make it white for now, or we can just make it a pattern. You click on this one, go to this pattern. Okay. As you can see, it has added this by default. When you click on this list, now I don't want to use this. I want to use something else like glass, this kind of glass. Okay, you just do that one. Okay, now we've added glass. Click on this one. Okay, you click on the Z, so that you zoom. Right now, I want to select this one and change it. So for me to do that, I'll click on the layer that houses this thing. Then I'll click on the magic one, which is W, magic 1, 2. Let me select this. As you can see, it has selected everything that has this color. Okay. Now when you've done that, you click on this one. You add. I'm going to add a pattern. Okay, so on patterns I'm going to add this one. This is the tile that I want to use. As you can see, it's a bit too big, so I'm going to just reduce it a bit. I think the one is too small. Let's type 25. See, that looks too big. 84. As you can see, I have tiled down this house. I'll then click on this layer. I want to make it one view. Then I'll click on the master or on this icon. Then I'll click on the pattern, and I'm going to change from that one to make it this one. Then I'm going to reduce the scale a bit. It's too small now. 50% looks okay. Click OK. I think we are done. Now if you hold on the Z button, then you put a left click, you move the mouse, it will zoom in and out. Okay. Now I want to select the window. Maybe I'll start with the furniture again. Let me start here. You click on this, then you magic one. You hold down the shift button. You click here. You click here. Click here. Click here. 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 It's almost like the way that you use AutoCAD itself. Archicad software. It's almost the way that you use Archicad. Then you hold down the Z button. You drag it a bit so that you select everything. Then you hold down the shift button. Select that part. That part. That part. Okay. Select that part. That part. I think I selected everything that has to do with this so far. So I'm going to click on that button. I'm going to click on the pattern. Okay, this time I'm going to use a bit of leather like that. Then we change the scale a bit. Scale it down. It's okay. Click on that one. I think I'm done. Now let me move on to the next thing. Click on this surface. Magic one. Click on that one. Hold down the shift button. Click on that part, that part, that part, that part, that part. These are all the tests that I have with this. If you hold down the space button, you can pan. Okay. Then you hold down the shift button. Click on that part. Hold down the space button. Shift button, click on that part. I think I'm okay. I'm going to click on this icon. Then I'm going to fill it with the pattern. Okay. This time I'm going to select this one. And it looks okay. Let me just change the scale a bit. It looks fine now. Let's see. Hold on the Z button. As you can see. So I'll be going through this process, and I'll be getting things like that. Let me change this chair. Click on my Z, hold it down, drag it a bit. Click on the magic one. Then I'm going to click on this there. Click on this one. And click on this Z button. Hold it down, shift. Now I think I'm okay. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on part. Okay. Then I'm going to change this one to that color that we used there. Okay, let's scale it down a bit. Let's scale it up a bit. I think we are good now. Hold on the Z button. Zoom it out a bit like that. I think we are now good. Okay. So basically, this is what you do if you want to make a floor plan using this software. I just wanted you to get the idea. Maybe to finish it off, let me just put a bit of texture on the bed there, and we'll call it a day. Okay. Then we click. Okay, for us to magic one first, we click on this layer, then we hold down the control, click on that part, and that part. Okay, then we click on this icon, then we click on pattern. Okay, we click the down button. Maybe let's use this text here for now. Let me just share it a bit. Looks better now. Okay, this is basically what you do when you want to create a floor plan. This is Archicad. You're actually rendering the floor plan. This is Archicad. Okay. So to finish off, this is where you're going to add a few things you can use it. So let me just do this. Add up a few things. I'm going to add a bit of plants. So click on the plant, click on this one, drop it in like that. Then I'll scale it down all the way like that. Now place it somewhere here. As you can see, this is generally what these guys will be doing. Okay, let me try another thing. Try adding another thing, maybe this thing. I want to drag it, drop it there. Okay, you can reduce it. Something like that. Yeah, I'm going to maybe drop it there. You can click OK, then click on the Z button, zoom in like that, Control T, then you resize it again. And basically, this is how you go about it. When you have only this software working, this is what you do. Okay. So to save, you click on File, and you click on the Export button, Export as. I'm not going to save it as a PDF. I'm going to save it as a picture. It might take a bit of time. Hopefully, you got the idea how it works. Now you have that picture like that. Then you click on this Export button. To ask for a name, let's just do it like that. I think we are good. Okay, let's see the picture. It's this one. As you can see, that is how you go about it. Okay, thank you for your time. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. If you've got any questions on anything to do with civil engineering, on Photoshop, Archicad, and all the softwares that we use in the production of house plans and engineering drawings, you can just write it in the comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you.